Hello my people, welcome back to another one. So today we are here to clear one argument that has been going around the social media and even offline. People have been asking, does Innoson Vehicles truly produce their vehicles in Nigeria? Are Innoson Vehicles truly made in Nigeria? So we are here in Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria to clear your doubts. And yes, Innoson Vehicles are made in Nigeria. Over 70% of their components are made here in Nigeria. So Innoson Vehicles are not just assembled in Nigeria as so many people think. You know, vehicle production in Nigeria now, I will say that some people see it as something big. So hearing that is done in Nigeria, they don't believe. But then Innoson Vehicles produce 70% of their vehicle components here in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. So that is it. So one thing that you should know again is that even the biggest vehicle brands, they don't produce all their vehicle components. Even Toyota, Ford, and all of them, they still outsource some components to other companies, but then they produce the major parts. Same thing is applicable to Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company. They produce the major components of their vehicles. They don't produce all, but they produce the major. Over 70% of the components are made here in Nigeria. So I'm going to take you on a tour around Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant. But then not every section is allowed to be captured on camera. But then enjoy the ones you have here, and believe me, over 70% of the vehicle components are produced here in Nigeria. Their plastic components are produced in Enugu because Innoson Group, they have a very big plastic production company in Enugu, which is the biggest in West Africa. So that is where all the vehicle components, all the plastic components of this vehicle are produced. You can just imagine that. Only that alone shows you that most of the components are produced here in Nigeria, because you know that vehicles have a lot of plastic components. Then you talk about other components, their tire. Innoson Vehicles, they have a Innoson Group, they have a tire production company here in Nigeria too. Same with other components and the ones they produce here in Nnewi. So Innoson Vehicles, they are big time made in Nigeria. You don't have to doubt, you don't have to argue. They are made in Nigeria. So enjoy this video and have a good time. So guys, this is Innoson bus that fixed the engine, the dashboard, and they're about to start fixing other things like the seats, the tires, and the glasses and other things that are remaining. So this is how it's done here in Innoson Vehicles Company. You can see the front. So everything is done in phases, stage by stage, stage by stage. I think the stage it just went through now is the painting stage, and now it's about to enter the next stage. It's just been painted. So we're going to hang it on this, what do I call it now? It's moving. We're going to fix it to these irons now. This rail, kind of rail, to now move it towards the direction. Move it to the place that every other thing will be done. You can see as the rail is moving.